The P0134 code indicates that your car's engine control module, or ECM, is not detecting any signal from the upstream oxygen sensor on bank 1, which is the side of the engine containing the first cylinder. This sensor is crucial for monitoring exhaust gases and adjusting the air-fuel mixture to optimize performance and emissions. When there's no signal, it can result in poor fuel efficiency and potential engine issues. This diagnostic code is more common in older internal combustion engine vehicles from before 2015, but it can still occur today. The Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor is located before the catalytic converter in the exhaust manifold. It detects oxygen levels in the exhaust to help the engine control module fine-tune fuel injection for optimal performance. When the sensor is inactive, the ECM doesn't get feedback, causing a 10 to 20% drop in fuel economy, rough idling, and potentially failing emissions tests. The most frequent causes of the P0134 code include a faulty oxygen sensor, which accounts for 70% of cases. Other causes are damaged wiring to the sensor. Exhaust leaks near the sensor can also trigger this code. Rarely, issues with the ECM itself may be the cause. Contamination from coolant or oil can damage the sensor as well. The most obvious symptom of a P0134 code is the check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. This warning light comes on when the vehicle's computer detects a problem with the oxygen sensor circuit. You'll likely notice decreased fuel economy as the engine cannot properly optimize the air-fuel mixture. This inefficiency can lead to more frequent trips to the gas station and higher operating costs. Hesitation during acceleration is another common symptom. The engine may feel sluggish or unresponsive when you press the gas pedal, making driving feel less smooth and potentially unsafe. Rough idling can also occur as the engine struggles to maintain a stable air-fuel mixture without proper oxygen sensor feedback. You may notice the engine vibrating or running unevenly at idle. Start by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0134 code. Next, check the sensor's voltage with a multimeter. It should cycle between 0.1 volts and 0.9 volts at idle. Inspect the wiring harness for shorts or open circuits. AI-integrated tools can predict sensor failures for faster diagnoses. If the sensor doesn't respond, it likely needs replacement. If the oxygen sensor is faulty, replacement is necessary. New sensors cost $5,200. First, disconnect the old sensor from the wiring harness. Next, remove the sensor using a special O2 sensor socket wrench. This tool is designed to fit the sensor's shape and prevent damage. Install the new sensor and ensure the wiring harness is properly connected. Check for secure connections on the signal voltage, signal ground, heater ground, and heater hot wires. Finally, clear the P0134 code using your OBD2 scanner. This resets the check engine light and confirms the repair. If a new sensor doesn't solve the problem, focus on other potential causes. Repair any wiring damage that could interrupt the sensor signal. Fix exhaust leaks that can introduce false air and affect readings. Inspect for vacuum leaks that can alter the air-fuel mixture. Rarely, the ECM itself may be faulty, requiring professional diagnosis and repair. Preventing P0134 starts with regular vehicle maintenance. Routinely check the exhaust system for leaks, inspect oxygen sensor connections for corrosion or damage, and ensure the catalytic converter and manifold are intact. Replacing oxygen sensors every 50,000 to 100,000 miles helps avoid failures before they trigger codes. As electric vehicles become more prevalent, the P0134 code will become less common. EVs don't have exhaust systems or oxygen sensors, eliminating the need for this type of monitoring. Industry projections suggest that by 2030, over 60% of new vehicles could be electric or hybrid. IoT-enabled predictive maintenance is transforming vehicle diagnostics. Connected vehicles use telematics to monitor oxygen sensors in real time, with AI algorithms predicting failures before trouble codes like P0134 appear. This proactive approach can prevent up to 80% of sensor failures and significantly reduce repair costs. DIY diagnostics are becoming more accessible through smartphone apps that interface with OBD2 scanners. Apps like Torque Pro and Carista provide real-time data, allowing vehicle owners to monitor sensors and diagnose issues themselves. This trend has made about 35% of repairs DIY friendly, empowering users to address P0134 and similar codes independently.